The leading global organizations are Ashoka, Schwab Foundation, Skoll Foundation, Echoing Green. So, what is the history of social entrepreneurship? What is social entrepreneurship? It tackles social and environmental issues using an entrepreneur principles, aims at social impact rather than just the profit. So, pioneers in social entrepreneurs are Vinoba Bhave, Robert Owen, Florence Nightingale, Andrew Mawson. Modern social entrepreneurs example are Grameen Bank, Ashoka Rangde, and SKS Microfinance. Social entrepreneurship today are big brands integrating social initiatives, universities offering specialized courses, and youth driven movement for change. Social entrepreneurs act as change makers in the society. So, who is a social entrepreneur? As per Greg Dees, individuals with innovative solution to society's most demanding or pressing social issues. Their key traits are they are visionaries in the first place, they envision a better society, they are realistic, focuses on practical solution rather than ideology, innovative, create new user-friendly ethical ideas, they are persistent, that is committed to bring about change, and they are influencers in the first place, inspires and recruits local change makers. So how they drive change? They identify inefficient systems and solve the problem, spread awareness and persuade people to act, and they ensure solutions are scalable and widely adoptable. So, social entrepreneurs are role models proving that one idea can transform the world. Mm. Why social entrepreneurs? Social entrepreneurs are agents of change in the society. They identify and seize missed opportunity. They invent new approaches and improve system. They implement large-scale solutions for society transformation. Influential social entrepreneurs are Susan B. Anthony, women's right and suffrage, Vinoba Bhave, land redistribution for the poor, Maria Montessori have revolutionized early childhood education. Florence Nightingale is pioneer for modern nursing. Margaret Sanger is founder of Planned Parenthood. John Muir is conservativist. He established national parks to conserve the forest. Jean Monnet rebuilt French economy post World War II. So we understand that social entrepreneurs transform lives, shaping a better future for all. Social entrepreneurs act as change agents because the key roles that they play are to be mission focused, that is, focus on creating and sustaining social value. They are opportunity seekers, they are able to identify and pursue new solutions. Innovators, they can continuously adapt and improve. Fearless actors, so they take bold steps beyond available resources, and they are accountable leaders. Social entrepreneurs don't just dream of change, they make it happen. Social entrepreneurs creating impact beyond profit. So they are purpose driven, they are innovative and sustainable, empowering communities. And the advantages are easier capital rising, stronger public support, lower cost services, and better customization. So, easier capital rising is by government incentives and ethical investments, stronger public supports through media and people rally behind social causes, affordable healthcare, education, and tailored solution for all people. So social business is a new model for change. The definition of social business: a business designed to address social cause, prioritizing impact over profit. Investors recover their investment but do not take the dividends. Where it is applicable is importantly healthcare, housing, nutrition, education, and financial services. The key features are it needs to be impact driven. Success is measured by social change, not by the profit that is made. Sustainable, that means income which is generated should be reinvested rather than to be used for personal use. And profit maximization is not required because the profits are reinvestment for the benefit of the society. So types of social businesses. Social business, it tackles a social problem directly and it is owned by the poor. Social business is profit but with a purpose. The types of social entrepreneurs are community social entrepreneur whose focus is to solve social issues in a specific area involving a local community participation. The advantage is sustainable as locals have vested interest, but the challenge is decision making can be slow because there are so many stakeholders. Non-profit social entrepreneur focuses prioritizes social impact over profit. Profits are reinvested into the venture. Advantage is more funding access for social cause and motivation to generate revenue without uh, it will be lower. That is the only challenge. Transformation social entrepreneurship focuses on addressing social issues which are not addressed by the government or other businesses. They may evolve into institutions as well. So advantages, they can easily attract volunteers, but what challenges are managing regulations, policies, and bureaucracy. Global social entrepreneur. The focus is creating worldwide impact and transform social system and works on large scale long term social change. Advantages filling the gap in global social needs and challenges faces high scrutiny and global acceptance hurdle. Impact of social entrepreneurs in the society. The first and foremost is driving change through innovation. Solve the demanding or pressing problems at the root level by integrating technology and focus on impact of making a change rather than getting the profit. And they are empowering developing nations like India. Youth entrepreneur can tackle social issues, and government policies are of course supportive of young entrepreneurs. Global support and investment. International trust and billionaire funds provide funding and mentorship, encouraging scalable solutions. Social entrepreneurship are definitely transforming life by blending business with a purpose. So some of the most important issues that social entrepreneurs can address globally to bring mm, a real transformation are mentioned below. Food scarcity. So it is noted by UNFAO that 795 million people are undernourished. Despite sufficient food production, scarcity persists. What is the cause? It is due to drought, extreme weather, food wastage, poor storage, and other things. So solution can be weather prediction tech for better farming, new water harvesting methods in drought hit areas, and solar conduction dryers for food preservation in India. It could be used. Healthcare is, as per WHO and World Bank 2015 statistics, 400 million people lack basic health care. What is the reason? The reason is poor sanitation, lack of immunization, no access to medicine. So what are the solutions that can be proposed? Affordable healthcare models like Arvind Eye Hospital, Narayana Health, and innovations like auto disabled syringes and free medical distribution. Education. So what is the problem? As stated, or statistics that's taken by UNESCO, is that 775 million illiterate adults, 122 million youth without education. Barriers is lack of access, affordability, and infrastructure. Social entrepreneur solutions are digital education via tablets with offline content, interactive labs, and initiatives like Teach for India, empowering students. In financial services, there is limited banking access in rural areas. The barriers, no collateral, documentation issues, and high cost. How social entrepreneur can solve these is by microfinance institution offering loans, low interest, flexible repayment method, tech driven financial inclusion. In the future, we can expect social entrepreneur to drive change with technology. Timely funding, mentorship, and supportive for policies are needed for them, and the future is scalable, sustainable, and impact driven.